Hello students, good morning all of you. Today I Ravindra Mohan Mishra from Sri Jagdamba Sanskrit College Batho am taking the class of Shastri second. Today we learn further explanation from the drama The Merchant of Venice. Yesterday we have learned something else. Today's first paragraph is believe me, no, I thank my fortune for it. My ventures are not in one bottom trusted, nor to one place, nor in my whole estate upon the fortune of this present year. Therefore, my merchandise makes me not sad. These lines are taken from the drama The Merchant of Venice. These lines are composed by William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was a great dramatist. Shakespeare was certainly one of the most successful writers of his time. These lines are taken from the drama The Merchant of Venice, Act First, Scene First. These lines are narrated by Antonio. In these lines, Antonio shows his sympathetic condition after destroying of his ship. The next paragraph. In these above lines, Antonio remarks that he is not ruined by ruining of the ship. He is affirming Grantino that no, that is not. You trust on me. Thankfully, his financial situation is healthy. Antonio is very richest person. If it if this ship ruins, it does not mean that he ruins completely. He does not have all of his money invested in only one ship or one part of the world. If he does not do well this year, he will still be okay for the next year. So it is not his business that is making him sad. He confirm inside that he is very strong after ruining or going away. This ship from his hand is nothing for him. He can meet this loss by another means. The next paragraph. In short, we conclude that these lines teaches us that we should be hopeful in future after losing something in present. Now, the next paragraph. By two-headed Janus, nature hath framed a strange fellow in her time, some that will evermore peep through their eyes and laugh like parrot at a big piper, and other of such vinegar aspect that they will not show their teeth in the way of a smile through Nestor swear the jest in laughable. These lines are taken from the play The Merchant of Venice. These lines are written by William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was a great dramatist. Shakespeare was certainly one of the most successful writers of his time. These lines is said by Shalonio to Antonio in Act First, Scene First. In these lines, there is a conversation that they have with Celerio, where these two friends of Antonio try to ascertain what is wrong with their friend and why he appears to be so gloomy. Next paragraph. In these above lines, Selenio has just asked Antonio if he is out of sorts because he is in love, and Antonio has just denied this. And so Selenia says that these lines as a playful way of trying to poke gentle fun at Antonio, whilst also giving him a chance to open up if he wants to take that opportunity. Selenio thus refers to various different ways of expressing emotion, and the reference to the Roman god Janus is a particularly apt one given that he had two heads, with one bearing a smile and other a frown. Selenio reflects that there are so many people in the world and they all express emotion differently. Some will laugh out loudly at the slightest provocation, and others will hardly smile at something that everybody else would find hilarious. Note here a figure from Greek myth and legend is used to personify gravity and seriousness. Selenio is saying that some people, even though the most serious individual finds a joke funny, will not laugh at it because they are of such vinegar aspect. The next paragraph. In short, we conclude that these lines therefore represent Selenio's reflection on Antonio's moodiness and his attempt to explain it when there is no apparent reason for his happiness.